Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 3536. Maximum product of 2 digits. This is an easy problem and next I will show you what's my thought process and efficient solution. We are given a positive integer n and the job is to find the maximum product of any 2 digits in the number. So let's say that we are given this number. We have to find the maximum product of any 2 digits in 124. Here we have 3 digits, 1, 2, and 4. The maximum product is given by the two largest numbers, 2 and 4. So the result is 2 times 4, meaning 8. So my intuition was quite straightforward. We can iterate digits one by one and store them in an array. Then we can sort the array and take the product of the last 2 digits in the sorted array. That would be the result. So how do we iterate digits? Let's say that we want to get these 4. We take the current number 124 modulo 10. The result is 4. And then we can remove this digit by taking the current number 124 divided 10. And the result is 12. So up to this moment we have an array for digits with number 4 only. And the current number is 12, this number. Now we need to extract these digits, so we do 12 modulo 10 and the result is 2. So we put the 2 in the array. Now we need to remove this digit, so we do 12 divided by 10 and the result is 1. We need to repeat the process one more time, so 1 modulo 10 is equal to 1. Here we put a 1 and 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0. Given that now we are out of digits, we can sort this array. After sorting, we get 1, 2, 4. And the final result is given by the last value 4 times the previous to last number 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8, so we return this. Time complexity for this approach is roughly big of 1. Why? Because here we have the constraints and we can have up to 10 digits as maximum. This is not strictly big of 1, but it's very efficient. So with this in mind, let's go with the code. First, we need an array for digits, so this is empty. And now we can say while we have a number, d.append the last digit, which is n modulo 10. And now we need to remove the last digit, so we do n divided equal 10. And after the while loop, we can sort the array and return the product of the last 2 digits, the minus 1 times the minus 2. So let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.